Reddit user Ryman8 posted this video after reviewing his security cam footage when he was woken by the alarm. It appears a translucent figure moves through the room, is heard opening the door and sets off the alarm. The user says nothing was stolen and he's unable to explain what he's caught. The comments section seems split between this being a real ghost caught on cam. Some argue this is nothing more than some fancy editing skills. What do you think? Leave your thoughts in the comments.